If you want to get the best reciprocating saw according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit, BDCR1DC. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Reciprocating Saw is a compact, cordless, affordable tool that you can use around the house for countless tasks, including cutting through wood, metal, tree branches, drywall, and plastics. Don't assume that the low price means low quality or a lack of features. In fact, this reciprocating saw offers many features you find on more expensive tools, including a variable speed trigger, pivoting shoe, tool-free blade changes, and an electric brake. The blade speed runs anywhere between 0 and 3,000 strokes per minute, with a stroke length of nearly 1 inch. This budget-friendly reciprocating saw comes with a general-purpose blade, battery, and charger rear in most sets. Moving on to the next at number 2 with WORX WX550L. WORX PowerShare Axis 20V Cordless Reciprocating and Jigsaw, which runs off a WORX 20V battery. The tool is lightweight, has a comfortable, vibration-absorbing handle, requires no tools to swap blades, and runs at a maximum of 3,000 SPM with a 3x4 inch stroke length. Push the button, and it converts from a horizontal reciprocating saw to a vertical jigsaw. With the right blades, this powerful tool can chew through wood, metal, plastic, and tile. It includes orbital motion for even more efficient cutting. A built-in work light helps illuminate your cut line, and an efficient blower prevents sawdust from blocking your view. Unlike many other tools, the 20V battery and charger are included, as well as a metal cutting jigsaw blade, aluminum cutting jigsaw blade, and wood cutting reciprocating saw blade. However, you can use any standard reciprocating saw blade and any T-shank jigsaw blade with the tool. The number 3 position is held by DEWALT Reciprocating Saw DW-305. The DEWALT DW-305 is an excellent saw at a reasonable price. Use it to cut through wood, even wood studded with nails, as well as metal, plastics, rubber, drywall, fiberglass, and composite materials. This dual-corded saw sports a 12-ampere motor with a 1:1 by 8-inch stroke length and a 0 to 2,900 SPM variable speed. The entire saw is 17.5 inches long and uses a variable speed trigger for absolute control. You get a 4-position blade clamp for versatility and a keyless lever action blade clamp for easy blade changes when necessary. Like most reciprocating saws, you can use this one with any standard reciprocating blade, not just DEWALTs. Next at number 4, we have Makita XRJ04Z. Makita 18V LXD Reciprocating Saw has a rubberized soft grip handle to make even long work sessions more comfortable and enough oomph to get the job done easily. Using an 18V LXD lithium-ion battery, this saw has a variable speed motor that delivers up to 2,800 SPM. Combine that with a 1:2 by 4-inch stroke length, and you'll appreciate how quickly you can saw through wood, metal, and other materials, including pipes up to a 5:1 by 8-inch diameter. The saw is water and dust resistant with vibration reduction and specific attributes to prevent overheating and overloading. It includes one general-purpose blade but can use any standard reciprocating saw blade. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by RYOBI 18V 1+ Cordless Reciprocating Saw Bare Tool. For the perfect combination of wide teeth and a powerful motor, we recommend the RYOBI 519 Reciprocating Saw, which includes a blade specifically designed for cutting through wood. This lightweight tool has an efficient motor that can run up to 3,400 SPM with a variable speed trigger. The blade moves with a 1-inch stroke length, so you'll chew through wood quickly. The RYOBI 519 is a molded, comfortable grip handle, tool-less blade replacement, and a great pivoting shoe for any surface. This reciprocating saw includes a 6-inch wood cutting blade, but of course, you can swap it out for whatever other blade you might need. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.